Welcome to another episode of Decor Menu, your go-to destination for furniture design inspirations. Creating small and medium woodworking projects offers a plethora of advantages, not only as a means of generating profit, but also as a way to enhance home decor. This engaging practice intertwines craftsmanship, creativity, and practical skills, allowing individuals to produce functional and visually appealing items that resonate with personal style and meet customer demand. One of the most compelling reasons to embark on small and medium woodworking projects is the accessibility they provide. Unlike larger pieces that may require extensive materials and tools, smaller projects often necessitate less time, space, and investment, making them perfect for beginners and seasoned woodworkers alike. For those new to woodworking, starting with manageable projects can serve as an excellent introduction to the craft, helping to build foundational skills without overwhelming the artisan. As they gain confidence and competence, woodworking enthusiasts can gradually take on more complex designs, creating a continuous cycle of learning and growth. This approach not only enhances skill acquisition, but also fosters a deeper connection to the craft. Hello there again. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of small and medium woodworking project ideas you can make for profit or home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, small and medium woodworking projects can be highly profitable. The demand for handmade items has surged in recent years, driven by a growing appreciation for artisanal craftsmanship and unique home decor pieces. By producing small items such as decorative shelves, unique planters, or customized wooden signs, artisans can cater to niche markets that value quality and individuality over mass-produced alternatives. Because these small projects often require less investment in terms of both time and materials, woodworkers can quickly turn around products for sale, allowing for a quicker return on investment. This ability to generate income while enjoying the creative process is a powerful incentive for many, making woodworking not just a hobby, but also a viable source of income. Another advantage of focusing on small and medium projects is their adaptability and versatility. These sizes lend themselves well to a wide range of designs and styles, enabling artisans to experiment with various techniques and personalize their creations. For example, a simple wooden box can evolve into a luxurious storage solution by adding intricate carvings, tailored finishes, or functional features such as a hidden compartment. This versatility appeals to a diverse audience, as different customers may be drawn to distinctive designs that fit their individual tastes and home aesthetics. As artisans discover what resonates with their customers, they can refine their offerings, increasing both satisfaction and sales potential. Furthermore, crafting small and medium projects can foster community engagement and networking opportunities. Farmers markets, craft fairs, and local artisan exhibitions serve as fantastic platforms for woodworkers to showcase their creations while connecting with potential customers. These events often include other artisans, providing the chance to share ideas, collaborate on projects, and gain insights into effective marketing strategies. This sense of community can be incredibly motivating, facilitating mutual support among creators and leading to the establishment of valuable relationships within the local woodworking scene. Additionally, engaging with customers at these events enhances the artisan's connection to their work. Receiving direct feedback can be instrumental in guiding future projects and designs. In terms of home decor, small and medium woodworking projects have the potential to transform living spaces in meaningful ways. Items crafted from wood not only infuse warmth and personality into a home, but they also serve practical purposes. Custom shelving can enhance a room's organization while displaying cherished items. Creative and stylish planters can bring a touch of nature indoors, promoting well-being and tranquility. By crafting these pieces themselves, individuals create an intimate connection to their home environment, fostering a sense of pride and ownership. Moreover, the act of creating functional art for home decor conveys a message of sustainability and mindfulness. In a world increasingly aware of ecological impact, opting for handmade wood products symbolizes a commitment to quality and environmental responsibility. Utilizing reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced materials enhances this philosophy, appealing to consumers who are eager to make thoughtful choices about the products they bring into their homes. This shared value of sustainability creates a strong connection between the artisan and their customers, often leading to repeat business and referrals. Additionally, taking on small and medium woodworking projects allows for a playful exploration of creativity. The ability to design and craft unique items can become an enriching avenue for self-expression. From selecting the wood type and design to incorporating finishes and decorative elements, each project presents an opportunity to reflect one's style and vision. This creative endeavor becomes not only a means of generating profit, but also a form of personal fulfillment, contributing to mental well-being. Engaging in a hands-on craft like woodworking encourages presence and focus, providing a welcome distraction from the stresses of daily life. Moreover, the satisfaction derived from completing a woodworking project is unmatched. The process of transforming raw materials into finished products, combined with the tactile nature of working with wood, produces a sense of accomplishment that is both gratifying and motivating. Each project completed serves as a tangible testament to one's creativity and skill, reinforcing individual identity and self-worth. This positive feedback loop encourages artisans to take on larger and more complex projects, further enhancing their growth in the craft. As small and medium woodworking projects gain traction in the marketplace, it's essential for artisans to recognize trends and customer preferences. Simple wooden decor items that resonate with current design trends often yield high demand. For instance, the popularity of minimalism has led to a surge in requests for clean, simple designs that complement contemporary aesthetics. Understanding these trends allows woodworkers to tailor their projects accordingly, enabling them to remain relevant and appealing to consumers seeking both beauty and functionality in their decor. This keen awareness of market dynamics ensures that artisans can navigate the ever-evolving landscape of home decor with confidence. Furthermore, the flexibility of small and medium projects means that artisans can continually innovate and introduce new lines of products. This adaptation to changing tastes keeps the creative process fresh and exciting, ensuring that artisans remain engaged and inspired. By remaining attuned to evolving consumer needs, woodworking artisans can expand their product lines, capturing new markets and maximizing their earning potential. The skill development inherent in crafting small and medium woodworking projects also contributes significantly to long-term growth. As artisans hone their techniques, learn to use tools more effectively, and develop their designs, they build a solid foundation for a successful woodworking business. Continuous learning improves craftsmanship and expands the artisan's repertoire, allowing them to take on more complex projects over time. The mastery of new skills can lead to collaboration opportunities with other craftsmen, further enriching one's experience and expertise in the woodworking community. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked small and medium woodworking project ideas you can make for profit or home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.